Before beginning the video, can we please appreciate this? Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Festive season's almost here, and after so many years of celebrating so many festivals, the one thing that I realize now is that more than the actual festival, what brings me, or rather us, true joy is the process or the preparation of that festival. Right from packing gifts to cleaning the house, from decorating every corner of your house to choosing that one particular Diwali outfit. So this video is going to be a one of a kind video. This video is a celebrate Diwali with me video. I'm gonna take you through all the Diwali prep that has been happening at my place and what all am I doing to prepare and celebrate Diwali. So let's go. So the first and the most important thing that I want to talk about in this video is decoration and cleaning. My mom began cleaning our house 15 days before Diwali, and I think cleaning brings a vibe of its own to tell you that okay, get ready for festive season and get rid of all those unwanted things from your house to make way for new ones. Decoration is another favorite thing of mine to do on festivals. So today also me and my mom, we went to the market to buy some flowers, and I searched for a YouTube tutorial for a flower rangoli, and I made a beautiful rangoli at the entrance of our house. We also decorated our mandir and our drawing room with some lights and a few beautiful pieces that were already kept at our place. And I made 3 all new backdrops for my YouTube and Instagram videos. One of them is right here in front of you. I made them almost with all those things which were already kept at our place, except for a few things like these lights which I got a few days back from the market. The other 2 backdrops also were very simple to make and turned out very beautifully. Diwali is a golden time for people like me who have a sweet tooth. So this year also, me and my mom, we decided together to make some sweets at home. I came across this recipe of bread malai rolls which seemed very interesting to me, and I thought, okay, why not try my hands at this? So today I made this whole new recipe of bread malai rolls. It took a little bit of effort to make, but I think the effort was very much successful. Everyone in the family really liked the mithai. My mom also made some besan ke laddus at home because everyone just loves them, and I think sweets are the perfect way of celebrating a particular festival and telling your loved ones how much do they mean to you. Festive season is the perfect time to give your skin that extra attention to help it glow its best. For most of us, the biggest issue of our skin is acne, and due to COVID pandemic, we also have to face maskne, which are actually acne and pimples occurring at the places where our mask touches our face. But no worries, I've got you covered. Lately, I've been using the Dermaco's 2% salicylic acid serum, which is the best product for acne-prone or oily skin. The salicylic acid in this targets deep pores in acne to get rid of dead skin and sebum. This is the perfect solution for the times when you have pimples. Just grab, apply and relax, and let the active ingredients in it do their job. All you have to do is apply 2 to 3 drops of this product on your entire face and neck. Please be sure to follow the serum with a broad spectrum sunscreen in daytime. I've seen a huge difference after using this serum. My acne has reduced considerably. My skin is clearer, oil-free and smooth. It is recommended to use it every day in the day or at night. Always do a patch test before you use this product. Now, everyone's skin is different, and thus skincare is different for everyone. If you want to know what kind of skincare products do you have to use, the Dermaco has a feature known as Skin Assessment Test. All you have to do is feed some of your information about your skin, and they'll tell you what kind of products do you have to use. The brand is designed by dermatologists themselves, and all the new products designed by them are absolutely fragrance free. You can also purchase these products from the Dermaco's website, and if you use my code, which is Mithali20, you get a 20% discount. This code is only applicable on their website. The Dermaco products are also available on Amazon, Flipkart and Nykaa, so you can also purchase from there. All these links will be mentioned in the description, so please go check them out and get your skin that festive glow. Who doesn't like gifts on Diwali, and what better than a handmade hamper for your loved ones? This Diwali, I decided to make a handmade hamper for my friends. All I did was I took an old box, old mithai ka box, which was already kept at our place, and I decorated it with some pom-poms, and I put some handmade chocolates that I prepared a few days back and a few other things. Also send a Diwali thank you text to all those of your loved ones whom you're not able to send a physical gift, and trust me, they'll be very happy. Talking about makeup and outfits, I have made a separate video on outfits which I'll link up somewhere here for you guys to check. In this video, I have basically mixed and matched all the old pieces that I had already and made new looks on myself. If you are a person who already has a lot of ethnic, out of which there are a few pieces which aren't even worn once yet, you should definitely check that video out. On Diwali, I think what we tend to do is overspend. We already have a lot kept at our place and we still go and buy newer stuff. I think this Diwali, let's just try and see what all do we already have and spend money wisely on the things that we really need. Now coming to makeup and hair, I really wanted to try something very new. So I decided to go on YouTube and I searched for a smoky eye tutorial, and I did this to myself and I think it looks beautiful. Like, I'm amazed. I have tried smoky eye tutorials like 5 or 6 times earlier and I have failed badly. This is the best that I have done till date and I am very impressed with my makeup skills. Do let me know what do you think about it. And this particular outfit, I've just styled it with some gold and silver earrings, a small black bindi, and for the hair I just did 2 French braids from the front and tied them into a ponytail. This is my go-to ethnic hairstyle, so I didn't try anything new, but I would definitely recommend you that if you're a person who really wants to do something new, please go on YouTube and check out these makeup tutorials and hair tutorials or even outfit suggestions. Go up and try something new and make your Diwali memorable. This Diwali, I tried so many new things. I tried making a hamper which was handmade. I made a personalized card also for Diwali. I tried a new makeup look. I tried newer outfits with all those things that I already had. I think this Diwali taught me a lot of new things, and I think if you are also looking for a memorable Diwali, make sure to try new stuff, make sure to do new stuff and to learn from it. I think this Diwali made me learn a lot of things, so I'm really happy with whatever I could do this time. Lastly and very importantly, all that I have to say is please have a safe and a pollution-free Diwali, and let's make festivals the time when we enjoy to our fullest, spread light and joy to every dark corner of this world, and most importantly, learn new things and make ourselves a better version of us. On that note, I'll be signing off, wishing you and your family a very happy Diwali. I'll see you again very soon. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, and bye-bye.